In a world overflowing with ads, algorithms, and endless noise, one thing still cuts through: a great story. The power of story in modern marketing isn't about tricks or trends. It's about connection. It's about emotion. It's about making people feel something real in a digital world that often feels artificial. Because facts tell, but stories sell. Every brand has a story, but only a few know how to tell it well. And that's what makes the difference between being ignored and being remembered. A powerful story does three things. It makes people care, it makes them remember, and it makes them act. So how do you use storytelling to build your brand? It starts with your why. Every great story has a heartbeat, a reason it exists. Why did you start? What problem were you trying to solve? What do you believe in so strongly that you'd do it even if no one was watching? When you share your why, you create resonance. People don't just buy what you do, they buy into your belief. Next, show your journey. The human brain is wired for narrative: beginnings, struggles, transformations, victories. When you tell your story like a journey, your audience doesn't just observe, they join you. Share the real moments, the challenges, the doubts, the small wins along the way. People don't relate to perfection, they relate to progress. Then bring your audience into the story. Make them the hero. Here's the truth. Your brand isn't the main character. Your customer is. You're the guide, the mentor, the one who helps them achieve their goal. Just like Yoda helps Luke Skywalker, your brand helps your audience become the best version of themselves. When you position your audience as the hero, you make your marketing about them, not you. And that's where the magic happens. Another key to storytelling is emotion. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. Whether it's hope, excitement, relief, or empowerment, emotion gives your message weight. Don't just describe your product. Describe the transformation. Show the before and after. Let people imagine what life looks like once they've experienced your solution. And finally, every story needs authenticity. In 2026 and beyond, the most powerful marketing won't come from big budgets. It'll come from genuine voices. People crave honesty. They crave connection. They crave stories that feel real. That's why storytelling works. Because it's not about selling. It's about serving. It's about showing people what's possible, inspiring them to take action, and reminding them that change is within reach. So if you want to grow your brand, start by telling your story, not your sales pitch. Tell it with passion. Tell it with honesty. Tell it in a way that makes people see themselves inside it. Because marketing isn't about convincing, it's about connecting. And the best way to connect is through story. Stories move hearts, hearts move actions, and actions build brands that last. So tell your story. The world needs to hear it.